Praveen went to a stationery shop and spent rupees 75 in total. He goes to a shop and he spends 75 rupees. He bought a notebook and 4 identical pens. So he buys a notebook and he buys 4 pens. The cost of the notebook was rupees 45. What are the cost of a pen if it is assumed to be equal to P? So 4. Each pen costs P. 4 pens should cost 4P. Total amount he has is 75. He spends 45 on the book and 4P on the pens. We need to find the total cost of each pen. Or 75 minus 45 is 4P. 30 is 4P. P is 30 by 4, which is 15 by 2. 14 by 2 is 7. This is 7.5 or 7.5. So each pen costs 7 rupees 50 paise or 7.5 rupees. Bam.